Welcome back to another video. So let's see, can AI assistant help us to generate a 2D drawing for the following sheet metal part? So to get started, I will share.
Okay, I understand. Is there anything I can help you with today?
Yes, I would like to know how can I define a 2D drawing for the following part?
Sure, you want to create a 2D drawing from this 3D model. In SolidWorks, you would typically start by creating a new drawing file and then inserting the desired views of your 3D model. Do you need help with the specific steps?
Yes.
Okay, let's go through the steps. First, click on File, then select New and choose Drawing. Do you see this option?
Yes, but wouldn't it be faster to go just and click on Make Drawing from Part? Because I already have the part.
Yes, that is a faster way. You can click on the Make Drawing from Part icon in the feature tree. Would you like to try that?
Yes.
Great. Now you're in the drawing environment. What would you like to do next?
Well, I'm currently within the sheet format size, so I will choose an A3 for this part.
Okay, so you're going to choose an A3 sheet size. Go ahead and do that. Once you have selected A3, we can insert the model view.
Okay, and how can I insert the model views?
You should see a view palette on the right side of the screen. From there, you can drag the different model views onto the sheet. Do you see the view palette?
Yes, and if I want to add the flat pattern for this sheet metal part, do I find that over here?
Yes, the flat pattern view is available on the view palette. It's labeled A flat pattern. Just
Oh,
drag that
okay.
onto your. Great, you can click and drag that flat pattern view onto the sheet. Then you can position it where you would like.
Okay, so I position it like this, but now I would like to add the isometric view of the part. How can I do that?
Sure, you can drag the isometric view from the view palette onto your drawing sheet, just like you did with the flat pattern view.
Okay, and how can I change the shading for this? Because I would like to see the material over here, the gradient, the texture, the shading of this.
Okay, to show the material shading, you need to change the display style of the view. You can select the view, and then in the property manager, you'll find display style, where you can choose to show shaded with edges. Do you see that option?
Yes, so shaded with edges. Okay.
Great. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, I would like to add some annotations for the following drawing over here. So for the flat pattern, how can I do that?
Okay, to add annotations, you'll need to select the Annotation tab at the top of the screen. Then you can choose the specific type of annotation you want to add, such as notes, dimensions, or center marks. Does that make sense?
Yes, let's say that I want to add the thickness of this part. On which view should I add that?
To show the thickness of the part, you should add a dimension to the flat pattern view, since the other view is an isometric and doesn't accurately show the part's true thickness. Do you know how to add dimensions?
Yes, but as we can see over here, I also added the projection because I cannot add the thickness over here within the flat view. This is a top view. Wouldn't it be wiser to just add the thickness over here within the projected view?
Okay, you are correct. Adding the thickness dimension to the projected view would make more sense. Go ahead and try adding a dimension there.
Okay, so what's the dimension value?
The dimension value is 2. OUO. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yes, I would like to know how can I remove those decimals over here because I just want this to be 2.
You can change the precision of the dimension by clicking on the dimension and modifying the precision in the property manager on the left. You see that?
Okay, so over here within tolerance and unit precision. Okay, now I would like to change the color because this is currently in gray, and as we can see the annotations on the flat pattern are in black. How can I do that? Okay, so I see that it is connected. Let me just clear this and start again. Okay, so I would like to change the color of the dimension over here. This is currently in gray, and I would like it to be black, just like the annotations on the flat pattern. So how can I do that?
Sure, you would like to change the color of the dimension from gray to black, like the other annotations on the flat pattern. I can help with that. What CAD software are you using?
I'm using SolidWorks.
Okay, so you are using SolidWorks. To change the color of the dimension, you will need to select it. Then go to the line font option in the property manager and choose the color you want. Do you need more detailed instructions?
Yes, it is this line color on the bottom where we have that brush with the color gradient.
Okay, I see. So you've selected the dimension and now you're looking for the brush icon with the color gradient at the bottom of the properties manager. Click on that to change the color of the selected dimension line. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I see that the color changed.
Great.
Okay,
It sounds
okay.
like you were able to change the color of the dimension to black. Is there anything else you need help with?
Okay, so overall, as we can see, for SolidWorks, the AI assistant is quite good. So if you enjoy this kind of content, I will position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.